That's what a non-venomous snake teeth look like, and they're just there for holding a mouse so that they can swallow the mouse better. And this is what a venomous snake looks like. So they have those big fangs that they drop down.
Be careful.
And that's a skeletal frog.
That's right.
And this is... Oops.
That's okay. So what do you think this is?
This is
What does that look like? It looks a lot like a clam. So this is another type of animal that lives in a shell. This one is called a mussel. And these live in fresh water. Clams live like there are clams that live in the ocean, and scallops and things like that we sometimes like to eat. These are mussels that live in freshwater creeks and rivers, and these are things that otters like to eat. These these mussels will also clean the water. When you find lots and lots of mussels, these things are able to filter water through, and they'll help to clean it over time. So these are really good to have in areas to keep the water fresh and clean and healthy. Do you have any ideas what this might be?
Hold on.
This is a very big snake. This is a python.
Python?
Yeah, pythons don't belong in the United States. They are from Asia. But some people do keep big snakes for pets, pythons and boas, and sometimes pythons get out, and they shouldn't, but they do. And so some places in the wild they do live now.
Are these animals alive?
No, that's what's left of them. They were preserved. So we've got a dragonfly, and these are the little ones. This is the damselfly, or the nymph and the larva of the dragonfly.
You mean they died, but they stayed in one piece, right?
Yeah, they were in one piece, and so they were preserved in this material, this acrylic here, to help keep them from breaking down.
Those two are the same thing.
These are actually a little bit different. So we've got a raccoon, and this is an otter.
Oh.
Okay, so they're both mammals, and they both live in wetlands. Otters like rivers. They swim a lot. They'll move through swamps as they're going from river to river. Raccoons live in forests and also swamps and other wetlands.
And let me guess, that's a beaver skull?
That's right, very good guess. What gave you the clue?
Because the big buck teeth.
Yeah, they have these big buck teeth. They're like our incisor teeth, but much longer. Beavers are rodents. They're related to rats and mice. And they have very, very hard orangey coating.
They never stop growing.
Yeah.
They got you on wood.
That's good. You know a lot about these animals. They do have to keep chewing, and so if you were to keep something like a hamster or a mouse for a pet, you'd want to always give it something that it can chew, or else its teeth will keep growing. Guinea pigs, same problem.
Yeah, and if it gets too long, it'll go longer than its mouth, so it can't open it to chew on it.
And that's the sad thing. Sometimes that happens to people's pet guinea pigs and rabbits because they don't understand that they need hay and they need something to chew. So these beavers have very hard enamel coating their teeth, or this coating protecting the enamel so they won't chip their teeth when they're scraping bark off of a tree. But they only need bark in the wintertime. In the summertime they eat plants.